All right, so today is all about just trying to make the Archer Tower gameplay an actual possibility because we have all these towers. They all do so much different damages. Everything's really hard to balance. But we're going to have Point Crow and DougDoug and all these people coming over, and we need to have a game that's ready. So my main focus is 5 levels, make it happen, make it work, and get it so that we can go from something and have a bit of fun, have a little bit of challenge, a little bit of risk, actually have a bit of, fun with the cards. So that's the whole idea for today. Oh, and Casey's here, which Casey's awesome. We got him to vibe code. So this is the idea of the event, is that we're gonna have 3 teams. Legendary platformer, legendary gamer of the Zelda variety and Pokemon, and then actual game person who makes games. We are going to see who can create the best feature in this game in a small amount of time. Yep. So it's going to be Doug and I, it's going to be Point Crow and Teej, and it's going to be Began and Casey. We figured that since Casey's actually experienced, he's going to do one of 2 things. 1, he's going to get too technical and forget the time period. Or 2, he's going to be too good, so we gave him Began.
But I'm terrible at game design, so I should be fine. Like, my
he knows
suggestions
everything.
suck.
He's a game engine developer.
Oh, we already know you're going to be like, I've never done this before, but here's the greatest idea I ever heard. It's going to be the classic, I've never done this before. Okay, so that is the idea. And so what we figured is we also have Adam. Where is Adam? Okay, Adam is a amazing pixel artist, and he's going to take each of our suggestions that we want to do, and he's going to create a very expedient version of the art as fast as he can. It may or not be the greatest ever. It's just a speed run, right?
We're speed running.
And then at the end, chat, you get to vote who creates the best art. And whoever creates the best art
Is the king for tomorrow.
not only they get
I wanted to be king.
they get the and you will get up to we'll give you, how about this one, up to 50 characters to put into the end credits, and you can put whatever you want in the end credits.
50 characters like Mario, Luigi, Waluigi. What do you mean?
Goatsy and ASCII.
We only get 50 characters, so there's not a lot of room for
Can
votes.
I put?
def.
Can I put?
Compressed Goatsy and ASCII.
There's a lot of room in Goatsy. There's not a lot of room for Goatsy.
Oh no!
Hey, all caps, stay focused.
Stay focused. I am trying to talk to you. This is on you, not me.
Sure, he's a hunk of a man, but we have to make this.
But we need to make this game before our knees get combusted.
No. Leave it how you spelled it.
Combusted.
Okay.
That's an insane word. That's an insane word.
Right now, we have DougDoug, best platform gamer, published author, and award-winning streamer. #1 best-selling author in spiritual advice.
Spiritual advice, limericks and humorous verse, and Italian cooking.
Oh, and here's a copy, just in
Oh,
case anybody.
please.
It's a vivid read. It's a vivid read.
Top 10 on Amazon across the entire website.
We got Casey, who's deep in thought right now over the book.
What do you think of the book?
What do you think?
So here's what I will say. It's hard to take it all in.
Right.
In such short sitting.
Right.
Chapter 9.
Chapter 9.
Chapter 9 blew me away, man. Like I opened that up and I wasn't ready for it.
Hello.
Yeah, they'll hear that. They'll hear
Yeah,
that.
you know the best part. So you know about a license to jest, correct?
Penis.
He's allowed to do that. You're allowed. When you're a jester, you have a license to jest, and any jokes you do can't be held against you.
Yeah.
Just 100 women. Good idea with the exclamation point. That's a good one. Women!
All right, hold on. CAPTCHA tower. The CAPTCHA pops up and you have to click a thing in order. So it's a completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. CAPTCHA.
Oh my gosh. I didn't know that was an acronym.
Yeah, it's an acronym.
It's an acronym. CAPTCHA's an acronym? I think we could attempt to vibe code that one.
Yeah.
But what's the unlock? Like, what do you do when you finally?
Well, so it's like at random times it'll do that, and then it unlocks like an incredibly powerful shot or something.
.1.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
we could do that.
Yeah, that would be fun. That one's so cool. Let's say we can upgrade the rarity of it.
And then, or add multiple, or subtract even the cost of the card.
Oh.
Are we, what's the cost of it?
Yeah, energy is what we have. You start with 3-ish energy.
But once you play it, it goes back to 0. So the idea is that you want to keep drawing the card as many times as possible over the course of the entire game.
Yes, and then you save it and you put it on the last boss.
Yeah, mage cast a spell, upgrade spell, and 50% of the time it goes bad.
That way you can vary that by class, and so people can have a different experience with the evolution part of the thing.
Okay, is that enough for you to go from, or?
I love the idea of hoarding Banker of Dragon. I think we can work with that.
It's a really quick ad that we're also going to add to it. This was inspired by Silk Song, actually. It's going to be a small equipment where you I think it's like plus 50 gold at the end of rounds. But every single time you open your inventory, there's a baby that cries very loudly in your face. So you really don't want to have it.
It's just literally free money, but it's annoying.
Unless you pay for our skin sounds. You know about skin sounds?
Yeah, I've heard about skin
You can
sounds.
relax the baby for $5.
Exactly.
I like that. What this card does is
Sorry.
it starts as Vegan's possession, and if you play it on a tower, it will remove all of the buffs from that tower, all the buff cards. So it goes back down to no buffs. Of course, its level is still whatever it is, but it loses its buffs. But the next time that tower comes into your hand, it has all the buffs. So you don't have to pay the casting cost. So when you think
That's insane. That is insane.
I love this.
So when you
That's
so
right.
when
Trash.
Right. So when you have a tower that you think, I don't need this tower as buff for this, like, to finish this thing, I can play that card on it, and then next time I don't pay the casting cost for all those buffs. So right, you know.
That's such a good idea.
Casey, I'm not a game designer.
It's literally the best idea I've ever heard in my lifetime. Obviously, we're gonna get a whole new set of games here.
Yeah, there's a ton of them.
Sweaty figures.
Okay, so it's the same game. It's just new questions. I don't think it's.
Fat Tony's select beats the Fat
Hey,
Tony's
it's a
heart rate. Nothing. Oh, dude, that would have been so good. I'm sorry. What? Rotate the pieces.
You can't do that.
You hear babies?
And then close it?
Yeah. It's like an artifact, a relic, or a Joker in Bellato, yep.
Yes.
It's gear.
Yeah.
very good.
Okay, they do hear it
Yes.
slightly. So if you didn't hear that,
They're laughing. Okay.
Yeah. But if you still haven't heard it, it's like
It sounds exactly like that, actually.
it's like that, right? Like that's how the baby would go. And so whenever here's the key thing, right? You could just be like, okay, I'm gonna play the game on mute, right? Because I don't want to hear this. No. So we very importantly created a separate function. So it's like specifically, if you have the baby in your inventory, then it actually will set your volume. it'll actually set your volume to two times what you normally would. So you have to listen to it. You literally can't not listen to the baby.
If you try and mute it, it will play it twice as loud.
A little thing here says remove all enhancements from target tower and they apply later. So if we click on this tower here, we can see we've got one damage card. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this right now and watch this. I applied it, it's gone. Oh my God.
Yes.
Now it's a much worse tower. That's a bummer. What I need to do is work on surviving, okay? So we'll play another round. Investing in my future. Every time you lose, you call it investing in your future, everyone.
That's smart. That's
okay?
smart.
Great one. Now watch this. Okay, so let's see what happens if I play this archer tower right now. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna play it and notice this.
Oh my goodness!
Already got stats. Thank you. There it is, me and Casey.
Guys, there's still time to vote. What's the poll status?
Vote right now, dude.
Well, it's about 10 more seconds, and the delay is probably.
All right, being in Casey wins. We don't need
To be fair,
Congratulations.
Thank you. Wait.
We should have picked a dragon. Because he's hoarding the gold.
I've been working on a lot of the tower systems, right? So trying to get things like when an enemy dies, run an event. When the round starts, run an event. And basically, like taking all of the elements we have, so like fire, earth, water, right? Making those systems functional in the game, and then obviously dancing around the vibe coding that's been happening on the night shift, right? Yeah, it's been going good so far. I feel like, just trying to figure out what like the end state is for cards as part of it, because there's like no documentation to like all of the effects are supposed to be, I guess. So I'm trying to figure that out right now. Dude, every time I program with Prime, he like gets into this flow state where he's going really fast, and then he'll just like commit to master and push and not check the linter, and it breaks all my shit.
I'm gonna try to get this pushed up. I've made a big change, and it's gonna cause a lot of problems.
Oh, every time I could with you, dude. Why?
Well, you don't like my coding?
No, I don't like please pull. It's gonna break everything, and it's in master. Like, wonderful.
He literally wrote a new interface for the towers that none of my towers implemented. So when I ran my code after he pushed, it all died. We ran into this issue where I was running the distribution graph of like the rarity of cards, and we were getting like hundreds of rare cards. The problem was the card generator was returning cards that were a different rarity than you requested. So I fixed that, and the goal now is to make actual rare aura cards, make the game do cool stuff. So I'm gonna go riff on that for a little bit.
And I think it's still on my personal credit card, my business credit card, so.
It's on my personal card.
I'm gonna invoice you.
Yeah, you can invoice me. All $20. That feels a little petty.
Your
Hey.
disappointment in yourself. Also, you need.
You guys like the fact that we're double vibing right now? Professional, prompt engineer, prime engine? Yeah, thank you. They call it the 3 Ps of prompt engineering. Be a professional, be a prompter, be a prime engine.
Hey, my name's Casey Muratori, and I work on educational programming resources. I thought I'd come down to the tower because I happened to be in LA at the same time and see how they were doing on this game. And it seems like it's going pretty well. It looks like a real game. You can play the tower defense thing, you can place the towers. But yeah, I'm hoping by the end of the week they have something that they're relatively happy with.
I don't think you guys want to read this. This is not good. An actual game programmer has entered the game. The studio.
No.
That's not great.
Oh, hey, didn't see you guys there. Sorry about that. Yeah, so night crew, day 1 went great. Did not sleep a lot though afterwards. Woke up, was really happy because I looked at my clock and it said like 1:30 and I was like, nice, I slept for like 6 hours. Home time zone still. So I only slept 3. That was not good.
How much sleep have you guys got? I haven't got too much sleep, but I've been doing Adderall. I've just been taking Tylenol. Steve just convinced me we can get banned for me taking too many Tylenols on stream. Like, literally, if that happens, we can have a class action lawsuit against Twitch. Discriminating against people with autism.
I'm going to say everything's a class action lawsuit when you don't like the result.
I don't know what I don't really know what a class action lawsuit is. I don't know what that means. I just think it's like, my friend once drank hand sanitizer. He's better now. When, alcohol is really hard of times, what we like to do is get a little mold on bread, right? After you get the mold on bread, put it over a glass of water. Then you wait a long time, and then the part that gets you a little messed up ends up in the water, and you throw the moldy bread away, and you drink the mold water.
We're gonna take a nap today after some special guests. Casey is upstairs right now. That's a lot of fun. We got him vibe coding, which was pretty cool.
No, I would have thrown in one grandma threat. Like, my grandma's gonna die if we get this wrong or something like that. It really ups the urgency. Casey, let me ask you this. If you train something on the whole corpus of humanity, do you think people on average work harder if their grandma's about to die or if she's not gonna die?
I
That's
agree
checkmate.
with you at a step 1.
Okay.
At step 3, they kill all of you.
Yeah, well, but
Yeah, but I can't get there.
Like the resentment that is going to build up if all you're doing is threatening this thing's grandmother. the
oh,
entire
well,
time.
sometimes you gotta tell it good job.
Personally, I don't think you should be mean to the AI, and there's a couple reasons for that, but the biggest one is just like, I think if you value self-preservation, you don't know how long of a context window these things are eventually gonna have. You don't know if like the eventual world-dominating army of AIs that wipes out humanity will remember some of these submissions that are being submitted today, right? So do you really, like when the giant robot is looking down on you and there's like the laser eye and it's like scanning to figure out which targets to vaporize, do you really want to be the guy who threatened its grandmother? I don't. So I think you should be polite to the AI, just say, hello, Mr. AI or Mrs. AI, depending on which, type of AI you're talking to, and just ask it politely to do the thing. And if it doesn't do the thing, you're like, all right, that didn't work. That's my policy, and I'm sticking with it.
And really excited about the progress we're making on the game. I hope you guys come and check it out live. Shout out this guy. Hey, Adam, what's that on your shirt? No, right here.
Oh, this? It's actually not my game title, but it looks a lot like it. This is Inside.
I know, it looks just like it, though.
Just say Insignia, dude.
This is a merch from my game Insignia.
Yeah.
You can only buy it from retailers in Australia that aren't affiliated with me.
When I'm not making art in 20 minutes, we're working on this game here. This is kind of like my little baby here. We're working on this for like many years. So I now have a little team that we work with. I'm kind of like the designer, director, coder, but we've got help as well from some additional animators, a composer, a sound effect artist. So this is kind of like, it's your classic kind of Zelda style adventure. Thank you. You play as this character here. His name is Armin, and in this game, you are the son of a blacksmith who disappeared like a year ago. Basically, his first day as a blacksmith, he's like an apprentice, and on this day,
the backstory.
yeah, he's heading up to this kind of archive, this library, where he's expecting to find a book that his father would have left for him to help him kind of like find his way. But we get stopped along the way. I'm gonna skip ahead in a bit, but we got quests in the game. We got crafting. Let's have a look. We're gonna make this iron pauldron for this guy. And then we've got gear in the game, just like Mordoria. So you got slots.
Yeah, what the heck? Like it actually works.
There's a golden baby.
What's crazy? And you can have that one for free.
Do you know what? The sprite size is probably identical. It'll probably fit right in there. There's a little bit of platforming. You got a little bit of ledge grabbing and stuff. You got your 3-hit combo.
And they're all beautifully animated. What the hell?
I'm getting ganked. No! Okay, all right. Let's try that again. We'll do that again.
That's crazy. Souls like, yeah, you're right.
Blacksmithing has a little more to it than just making weapons and stuff. In this world, there's kind of like a little bit of a magical element to it. You got these kind of like, in this moment, we're learning about all the different magical abilities that are in the game. It's kind of the Metroid moment, you know, oh, there goes all of my abilities. So we're gonna learn 3 in this scene right now. I'm gonna skip through this. Da-da-da-da. So in this game, the magic is you learn abilities, but you can't use them unless you claim them from enemies. So we can come over here, we can grab this little guy here, and we're gonna like unlock this for the first time. So you gotta first combine it in, and now we have this thing called climb, right? So climb we get to use anytime we go into any level where there's an enemy that has climb.
Oh, I see. So you can only gain. So there's a little puzzle to it too. That's cool.
So
now you can climb up.
That's it. So they fit into slots, and there's only 4 different kinds of slots. So you can imagine in a level, there might be like 3 or 4 different enemies in that level, and they might have different abilities. So you can chain them, or.
It's creative too. The logo looks like what you would do too.
Yeah, you got it.
Plus, like you get the color in it too. That's great.
Yeah, that's it. So climb here. We gotta get you. Can I mic you up and record that for later?
I like it.
Point Crow says my game is intuitive. So we're gonna get the second one in a second here. This is charge. So let's go back to that crucible. I'm right in the middle of actually re-updating this. We added some fast travel recently, so we're gonna split this kind of like moment into 3 different scenes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing great. I feel like as soon as I get some food in me, I'm going to be back raring to go. We had a great little session last night. We were up late, and it's a sign of good things to come. I think.
It sure is.
We've got some good productivity going.
The more poison they are, right? Like, and thinking of different mechanics like that. So we're iterating on a lot of those. We're gonna put art from Adam actually in the game, which is cool. And then the other big goal for me is just like, we gotta make it easier for new people to figure out how to play the game. Better fonts, better UI, better hints of what's going on. We have like this system where it can do all of this stuff, and it just looks like a big green square. And you're like, that's not helpful. That's not helpful. So we gotta fix that.
Big UX overhaul coming today.
Or tomorrow.
Or tomorrow. No promise, no deadlines. It's coming when it's ready.
Can I swear on this stream?
Yeah.
Stop making shit changes.
Oh, you can't say that though.
Why?
Cursor said you just can't say shit.
Yeah, that's the only one. Fuck fun.
Sorry, Mr. Cursor. She is gone rogue. She does not listen. I know. It's fucking crazy.
We're taking her out.
I'll tell her not to say it. I want to hit your chatterbait. I don't even know. Honestly, I've never chatterbaited.
Jesus Christ. Stop
You're a
talking.
better person for it.
I don't even know. Honestly, I thought chatterbait was just like random chats, but now that I say it out loud, it sounds like it's probably.
It's literally, it's Twitch for porn, effectively.
Ew.
Yeah.
I will say, okay, so these are the Jacob's Bar ingredients, okay? Grass-fed protein blend, tapioca fiber, honey, beef tallow, dates, almond butter, unsweetened chocolate, cocoa powder, chocolate extract, sea salt. That's insane.
Yeah, but it's also really good. And first off, stop calling it the definition. That's like good. That's good ingredient.
Better pizza, better ingredients.
Why is there beef tallow in here?
That's because that makes it good.
It tastes like any other protein bar, but it's good.
First off, it
is
doesn't
tasty.
taste like any other.
So Bash is discovering health bro propaganda. Yeah, we just gotta drink the raw milk and eat beef tallow, and then cancer will go away.
Hey, I'm Bash Bunny. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I was just kind of told to show up here. I'll be honest, I'm not confident about this game. It's a lot of vibe coding happening. Prime keeps telling me how to do things, and he says that everyone has to walk on the path. I will say some of my hesitation with the game stems from the fact that I keep breaking things. I keep finding a lot of things that are broken that nobody else seems to be able to reproduce. It just works on my machine. So we'll see what happens. I would say in terms of my goals is to keep breaking it as much as I can. That's for sure. There's a lot of bugs in this game, and I'm gonna find every single one of them.
May I please have that? Oh, that. Hey, Lindsay, thank you so much.
Dude, Lindsay's actually the goat.
Lindsay is the
Crazy.
goat.
No, it makes
I also feel weird
But whenever I kind of
being like, yo, that girl, she's a goat.
Yeah, so earlier, Prime told me that women can't be the GOAT. Greatest of all time, obviously. And I think that was pretty weird of him. I think we should cancel him.
I can't drink caffeinated coffee because I freak out too much. And so I'm very excited to try the 404 coffee. I already took a hit of it upstairs, which is when you like push, you push the little like, you compress the pack so that the like coffee smell like blows in. It smelled delicious. So I'm looking forward to going back home and grinding some of this up. So you can expect my full report on a future stand-up. Thanks to the Terminal.shop folks for the coffee. I will definitely be checking it out.
Welcome back, everyone, to the joy of Pixel. Today we're working on building some life into the world. We got some sheep here. They're looking beautiful. At home, we call him Little Giraffe. Maybe we could add a little giraffe too. Keep it easy. Now, we're gonna pick another color to move on here. Maybe a little seafoam green or a titanium white.
No, I'm saying like you could go back to the game like on the first commit.
Oh,
and
yeah,
it's
yeah,
like,
yeah. Oh, it's crazy.
oh.
Yes, yes. It's almost fun, kind of. Like, it's like there's unique levels now. Back in the day, by I mean like 3 days ago, it like crashed 24/7. I've actually not had it. I've just played 2 games it didn't crash, which is like kind of crazy.
Show the game.
Oh, show the game. There's a game. It's vibe coded.
We're not just writing in Markdown documents.
It's a real game.
Okay.
Better than ever.
Here's the deal. We now, once again, have a tile set 36 JSON. I didn't want that. Again, I feel like, as the king, I'm not being respected again.
I'm the king. And when his subjects don't respect him, it means I failed. But more importantly, someone's head's gonna have to roll. I demand respect. Also taxes. Neither are happening, okay? I'm not happy right now.
Defy, thank you. I didn't even see this.
You stole my mug. That was mine. You literally just took my coffee mug I was drinking.
It was honestly an accident.
Okay. Let me just give me a second. All right. Sorry, I'm reconsidering my life.
And you'll have a pretty fun night and feel really sick the next day.
Sort of right. Good job, Matt. Don't listen to these jokers when they threaten your family.
You are ready to go to nationals. Your mother is proud of you. You are a Reddit mod. All right, there we go. We got everything we need.
How do you take a window and put it on a dedicated window? So I want to open the game, put it on a dedicated window.
So that's super, shift, and then the number you want to move it to.
Super, shift, number. That's the exact same thing I'm already using on my current.
Oh, what's that error?
Oh, this is, wait, I think I fixed this in a PR. Let me,
Okay, yeah.
It's so annoying though, because this one I like don't know what triggers it.
How did you fix it then?
I vibed it.
I mean, I would love to know the root cause. Yeah, it completely breaks the game. What's the problem? I vibed it. I don't know.